Hi, Bubba. Yeah, you're so tiny still. What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. We got my xr100 2003 model. Want to ride? Get a Honda. Worst thing about this, you got a bump start in order to get it started, but yeah. Again, Honda, I want to ride. Motorsport. Fox Racer. Got a clutch. Got a gear shifter. We got a Honda right there. Made in Japan. I thought it was made in America. Never mind. Look at them tread. They're like 1 inch of tread there. Sexy. Dino Jet. Let's say that again. Dino Jet. Let's say that again. Big gun exhaust. But anyways, guys, I want to prove to you guys, you can't start it unless you bump start it. Even though it's a true Honda, it doesn't even start up. See what I mean? You gotta bump start it. You gotta bump start in order to get it to even go. Like, you see what I'm talking about? It doesn't even start up. Like, okay, you can get it to start up when you're kicking it, but you have to kick it like 5 times, bro. Like, bro, Honda, dude. Honda gives you wings. Again, that's Red Bull. Sorry, it's like my 3rd time making this video. No license plate for you guys. We have a little modification here. We have some back pegs for it. So if I ever ride in 2 people, also the chain tightener is right here. Makes this chain really tight, but if you get more than 1 person on, it's gonna snap the chain. Another peg. We're gonna need to get into a motor for it because you can't even kick it first try without it. Like, you can't. Like, freaking hate it. Let's clean some of this dirt off. What? There's a piece of glass stuck in it. We have a little air filter. That. But peace, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.